He is Dr. Shiv Prasad Patil. Sir has completed his Bachelor's of Engineering in specializing in electronics engineering. And now then he has also pursued his Master's of Engineering with specialization in electronics and computer technology. And Sir has also done his doctorate from Aarhus BSS University. And this PhD has been completed within computer science specialization. So I welcome you, sir, to take on the platform and share your some words of wisdom so that every one of us will be benefited.
Thank you, Mr. Nanesh. Good morning to all my dear friends. It's really a great honor and privilege for me to be amongst all of you. Really, I'm very humbled to find that all my students, I'm not differentiating whether it is SKN or SCOE. Okay, all my students, and not only my students, but let me add a tag, international students, because what I could hear that many of you doing very wonderful at various places or various point of the globe. So I'm very happy and delighted to be part of. I'm also eager to hear you, but I'm sorry, it may not be possible for me to be till end. I could be amongst you, but mentally, right? Mentally, I will be always with you. I will love to have with you, and with this wish and hope, I wish to put some points. Definitely, this will be not a lecture. This is the point of some wisdom. It is very obvious that in your stay at STS, you have taken very good efforts. Sincerely, you have contributed in your learning process, and your that sincerity and the vision, right? Let me add this very important aspect of your learning, that the vision provided by our Senior Technology Society under the dynamic leadership of great Professor M.N. Navle sir and Secretary Madam, Vice President sir and Madam, we are able to give a very good platform environment in this state. Of course, on top of that, you have put your whole efforts to develop yourself, and the result is the net result that we are witnessing. Right now, you are at very good places. You will be definitely reach to, there is very good sentence, I like it, sky is limit, right? And that is very true for us, true for my all senior students. And only thing I wish to share, you are all very clever and smart enough, though there is no need, but as a fatherly advice, which I'm also giving to my ward, who is also alumni of SKN and is doing very well in California. So what I am talking to him, same I wish to extend to, see, efforts, your sincere hard work will be always rewarded. Please don't assume or take it granted that world is after me, right? So for that, you have to prove. To make the world after you, you have to prove, and that proof cannot come unless until you put your 100%, you put your dedication, and the very strong point for us, that means Indian community, that they are by in their blood, they are having all these capabilities. Only thing is that we have to keep in mind, and we have to bring it them in on surface. I'm very sure if you follow this, then definitely for you, sky is limit. I'm not saying that only you have to go outside. It's very good that you are doing very great at various places on the globe. But those who wish to have some miracles over here also, it is possible with this dedication and your sincere efforts. I'm very much happy and thankful that you recall us. Thank you for your this appreciation. And on behalf of all principals, SKN, SCOE, and the large extent from STS, I extend my very best wishes to all of you for your great journey ahead. Thank you so much. And please enjoy this rest of the program, especially Dr. Chowdhury's session, right? With this wish and hope, please allow me to stop here. Thank you once again, and all the best for your great future. Thank you. Good day.
Thanks a lot, sir.
Over to you.
Yeah. Thanks a lot, sir, for your encouraging words. So,
Pleasure.
hard work is the key to success, as again, I would like to reiterate from your message. And I hope that this message is very loud and clear to everyone present over here, that whatsoever one want to achieve, you need to be persistent and hard working. So definitely we'll be keeping that as a Khan mantra for all of us. And moving ahead to the program which we have. So I think Danish would like to share one more video for Teachers Day. So can you please bring up on the video? Thank you, Danish, for such a lovely video. So I'll bring up my screen and would like to introduce our guest speaker of the day. Just a second. Let me know when the screen is up. Yeah, I think it's up, right? Okay. So today we have Dr. Saurav Chaudhary among us. He is life coach, motivational speaker, and MD radio diagnosis. And he has been life wellness consultant and have addressed more than 10,000 folks across country. So to give the brief introduction, though I know that he's a very popular person within the community, but still for everyone's benefit, I'll just briefly introduce about Dr. Saurabh Chaudhary sir. So he has done his he has done his schooling from St. Xavier's and also high school from DAV Ranchi, and he was also the highest all India CBSE scorer in biology. And as I mentioned that he has completed his MD in radio diagnosis from Pune, and he was also one of the topper within the university examination. With such impeccable academic records, then he, in order to pursue his spiritual quest, so he has done and completed many international certifications along the way. Few of them are neuro-linguistic programming by Richard Bandler, then Heal Your Life by Louis Hay, Mind Map and Fast Reading by Tony Buzan, Sound Therapy, Graphology, and Nutrition. So there are many others. So these are the international certifications which he has done during his spiritual quest, and in order to know and to serve humanity in much better manner. Then he is acting as a professor and head at since from the age of 35. That's a very young age for everyone to be at that position. And he is also HOD and has published various different research papers in international journals. And he also has authored a book on radiology by Lambert Publication, Germany. So he has been also functional as one of the governing body, means member for voice governing body for many years. So voice is essentially an youth NGO where different kinds of character building and educational activities are being conducted across all of the nation, across all of the colleges within the nation. So he has been the governing body member of that member of governing body, voice governing body as well. Then he is also currently appointed as chairperson of ISKCON Temple Management Committee, Ranchi. And throughout nation, across different IITs and NITs, he is on the mission of delivering knowledge, what he has learned throughout his life to and enlighten the souls like me and like all of us, so that they could see and perceive life way differently and could live a better life. So that's where he has been delivering different sessions and seminars and life consulting across various colleges, including IITs, NITs, and the medical colleges. Not only that, he is also and professional speaker within corporate world, and he gets invited for various sessions in order to deliver sessions around leaderships and life management and time skill management and meditation. So many of the major MNCs within our nation, like Infosys, Cognizant, and Tech Mahindra, he has been invited at different forums at different time. And post-corona outbreak, that means like this corona, when it has begun, so we know that everything has shifted to virtual. So he's trying to digitally do his activities, and this corona outbreak also haven't stopped his zeal and initiative to go ahead and make a world a better place to live. And that's why he is serving the nation via various digital platforms as well. Now, the key areas, the seminars which he preferably like to speak, though he might be able to speak on wide array of the topics, but the essential forte is where he like to speak. Just a second. Yeah, so stress management. Stress management is one of his forte, as I mentioned. And so these are the few of the snippets that at AIIMS Ranchi, what he has presented, that it was attended by various doctors and professors. And it's just a self-explanatory short video attached to this presentation, when we can just go through it quickly. Okay, so we like to listen from Sir first instead of going through the recorded video, because I'm very honored and excited to host such an eminent guest with us right now, and I'm also looking forward to listen from him. So, Dr. Saurav Chaudhary, the platform is all yours. So please, you may start the session.
Thank you, Akshay, for those words of inspiration. And can you just stop the screen sharing so that we can start off? Thank you. It's a pleasure being with all of you. I'm seeing 48 to 50 students, teachers, alumni, and thanks to Principal Sir, Dr. Shiv Prasad, who gave a wonderful session here today. And with that, we'll be starting with, can we just stop the screen sharing from your side?
Yeah, done.
Yeah. So I'll just start my screen sharing here. And I want a lot of energy in this room now. There are alumni and there are teachers and there are professors. And I would like all of you to be very, very interactive in the chat box so that I know you're with me. It is very important for all of you, if possible, to switch on your videos. And if you can hear me carefully, please type H in the chat box. If you're able to hear me carefully, please type H in the chat box. Okay, so I'm seeing a lot of things pouring in. Thank you, Abhilasha, Tejas. Thank you, Dhyanesh. And I'm just enlarging my screen so that we start on this very important topic. I'm extremely excited to be just around 10 days back. I was in Pune, and from there I'd gone to Nagar to take an MD examination, and was remembering my old days 20 years back in Pune. And today we are going to take a very important topic, sutras for health and life management. It is important for each and every soul who is sitting here, right? Today is a day of guided missiles in the hand of misguided men. Fast food, but difficult to digest. Broad roads, narrow hearts. Smiling faces, crying hearts. There is love at first sight and there is divorce at first fight. How many of you agree with me? Please type A in the chat box. कि आज की जिंदगी जो हम जी रहे हैं. You just heard that Siddharth Shukla, such a famous person, you know, what happened to him all of a sudden. Thank you for those A's. Umesh, Sushant, Yashwant, more energy. Saraswat, Tejas, Yashwant, Abhilasha, Mrs. Kolekar, thank you. I need a lot of energy. The more the energy, the more the learning, the more the power, right? Thank you. And all of you know that such a young person at the age of 40, you know, Siddharth Shukla, he got a heart attack when everything was okay. So today, health, wealth, wellness has become the buzzword. And that's why I pay my respects to all my teachers, gurus, guides, and mentors, because of which, whom training, I'm sitting here and sharing this knowledge with all of you. So how many of you are interested for today's next 40-minute presentation? Please type BIO in the chat box. Bring it on. BIO in the chat box. Bring it on. Thank you, Yashwant. And the introduction is already covered, so I'll not be going into this. This is Birla Institute of Technology, where I gave a class on mind control and self-management for 5,000 students at BIT Meshra. And this is my own photo. Whatever I have not experienced, why should I speak? Okay, so this is the photo all of you know at Corianthans Club. There is Corianthans Club Pune, and this is myself. Here I'm standing right in front of you. I'm standing and I'm sitting and showing you myself. This is just 5 to 7 years back. When I was standing, my weight was 140 kgs, blood pressure was 180 by 110, and HbA1c was 9.6. I was extremely diabetic. I was having blood pressures. My professors in the medical college told me कि तेरे जिंदगी के ज्यादा दिन बचे नहीं हुए हैं, you have to take insulin, right? From there, I went deep into the research of health. I studied international books. I studied the Eastern and the Western philosophy. What is the difference between science and spirituality? Science in this world answers the how of things, and spirituality in this world answers the why of things. How does a person die? 1,000 reasons are there. Corona ho gaya, blood pressure ho gaya, diabetes ho gaya, heart attack ho gaya. But why does a person die? That is answered in the scriptures, in the Bhagavad Gita, the Quran, and the Bible. How does it rain? Evaporation, condensation, and rain. But why does it rain? The answer is there in the spiritual text. So if you are excited to know how to improve and become a successful human being, as far as your health, wealth, wellness, and overall life is concerned, please type M in the chat box. M for me, M for me. So this was my weight, 140 kgs. And in the next 1 year, and this is my weight outside a society where I reached 180 kgs. And finally, this is one of the resorts in South India, Swasara Resort, Gokarna, where I attended some international courses and I have maintained my weight. I have reversed all my lifestyle diseases because I was a final year MD student और इतना पढ़ाई होता है. You know, there is acidity, there is tension, there is stress. And one of the causes of stress is hurry, curry, and worry. When there is hurry in your life, when there is curry in your life, and there worry in your life, even a sane person can become mad. So this is one of my photos where I was taking a conference in radiology conference in Pune, where I'm just gulping food like a mad person because I was just eating food, because there were some unmet emotions in the heart. And because of that, I was trying to top it over with the food. And from that, this is one of the photos just before the Corona crisis. This is right now. So how many of you want to experience such transformation at the level of the body, mind, and soul? Please type BMS in the chat box. BMS at the level of the body, mind, and soul. Thank you, Kunal. Thank you, Sushant. Thank you, Tejas. Lot of energy. Yashwant, Prince, Abhishek, Akshay. I'm liking it. I'm liking the energy. And in the next 40 minutes, you will see a tremendous change in your life. My dear friends, when the diet is wrong, medicine is of no use. And when diet is correct, medicine is of no need. There's so many patients I've seen in Corona, in ICU, they died a very bad death in the ventilator, right? Because life was just slipping out of their hands. Where was the problem? People are saying, Corona, 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 mein kya karu? I say, Corona mein kuch to corona. If the diet is correct, then the medicine is of no need. Nowadays, people don't know how to take care of a health. Otherwise, a person who is having absolutely normal health profile, he's going for a morning jog and he dies of a heart attack and collapse. How many of you have seen healthy people dying? Please type D in the chat box. He was playing a badminton, everything was fine. Itna acha vyakti tha. Thank you, Kunal. I'm loving the energy. We take so nice care of our car by giving it the best of fuels. Do we give our body the natural fuel? Exercise will have minimal effect if the diet is wrong. Now, today the world is going round to yoga, Ayurveda, pranayam, and so many other things. Some people are hitting the gym. Some people are taking care of their diet. There are so many diets. There is a vegan diet. There is a ketotic diet. There is a vegetarian diet. There are so many things bombarded that people don't know why and how to take care of the health, right? So today, in the next 40 minutes, I'll be touching two very important aspects of personality. One is physical health and one is emotional health. As age is progressing, we are seeing that, people are becoming more and more stressed. People are making beautiful homes to live in, but they don't know how to beautifully live in those homes. How many of you agree with me? Please type AG in the chat box. What are the foods we should take? High nutritional foods, high fiber level foods, more satisfaction with less calories, less addictive, which are not reduced by tools, and less likely to produce obesity. एक बंदर जो चीज को छील के खाता है, आप भी उस फल को छील के खाइए, और जो बंदर छीलता नहीं है, आप भी मत छीलिए. आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू वेरी डीप पॉइंट्स. आई हैव स्पेंट 55 lakh rupees on my training, and you are seeing my library with 5,000 books here. How many of you are able to see my library? Please type L in the chat box, because I have studied, I have traveled to various ashrams, gurus, clinics, hospitals. I have stayed with the teachers, and I have tried to understand the basics of human life, right? What is the organic food? Nowadays, you will see that watermelon is available throughout the year. Cabbages are there throughout the year. Bhindi or lady's finger is there throughout the year because of hybrid culture, because of modern things which is being pumped into the society. But actually, watermelon is meant for summers and peas are meant for winters. But we take green frozen mutter every time. Please understand that there is a pran vayu, and there is a very important thing which I'm going to tell all of you. If you take a dry stick and try to bend it, will it break or not break? Please type in the chat box B for break and NB for not break. If you take a dry stick and you try to break it, will it break or will it not be break? I need answers, my dear friends. And please keep your videos on, because auditory and visual exchange is a more powerful exchange. Thank you. Thank you. So a dry stick will break, but a green stick will never break. Nowadays, every person at the age of 40 is getting osteoporosis, arthritis, thyroid problems, PCOD. It will break 100%. But you know why the green stick will not break? Because the natural product of the earth elements, धरती का रस उसके अंदर गया है in the natural form. We are becoming more and more smart, and in course of becoming more smart, we are touching or losing the track with life. For example, if you go to a field and you try to eat a sugar cane, how much sugar cane can you eat? If you keep chewing it, you can take for, let us say, half an hour, you get some amount of sugar. But now we want to be very smart. We will extract the juice, we will refine it, we'll crystallize it, and we will filter it, and we will distill it. And finally, we get those sugar crystals. The fiber is lost, the nutrition is lost, the mehnat is lost, and then it goes and sticks around in the body. And that's why diabetes is increasing at alarming rates. Similarly, we want Captain Cook free flowing namak. अरे बाबा वो कैप्टन कुक नमक फ्री फ्लोइंग नमक बाहर है, लेकिन अंदर जाके it will stick to your digestive system. There are microplastics in sodium chloride, which is causing a lot of cancer according to the latest research. So please understand, if you ask me what is the sutra for health, the most important sutra for health is go back and live the way your ancestors were living. And I'll be slowly covering each and every topic, right? So my dear friends, these are the 9 principles which I'm telling you after extensive research. जो मैं practice करता नहीं वो मैं बोलता नहीं, क्योंकि अगर मैं वो बोलूंगा जो मैं practice करता नहीं हूं, आपको फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. You're seeing the energy and conviction with which I'm speaking because I have reduced and reversed my diabetes, blood pressure, and lifestyle diseases by these 9 principles of diet. Number 1, from refined grain to whole grain, right? Nowadays, what do we see? Sunflower say refined sunflower oil, the healthy oil for healthy features. तो हमें क्या लगता है जो एड में हमने देखा सनफ्लावर ऑयल जिसमें पूड़ियां मस्त छन रही हैं, वही सनफ्लावर ऑयल अगर हम लेंगे तो इट विल बी वेरी नाइस. Well, I'm not against some any particular company, but I'm just telling, did you ever see your forefathers taking sunflower oil, or did you see them taking safflower oil, or did you ever see them taking cottonseed oil? So in the summers, you're supposed to take the you're supposed to take the til ka tel or groundnut oil, and that too not refined oil, but filtered oil. You can take groundnut oil in the summers, you can take sarson ka tel, which is, in the winters, the coconut oil and til oil, because these are natural oils, right? Similarly, from refined sweeteners like sugar to unrefined sweeteners like jaggery, palm sugar, fruit juice, whole sweeteners. आजकल डाइटिंग का कंसेप्ट क्या हो गया कि कम खाओ कम खाओ. Believe me, my dear friends, मैंने समोसे खाए, पेट भर के खाया. I had all types of food, but the kind of food which I was putting in the system was absolutely pure food. Now, what should we take? अरे आजकल गजब का जमाना है. होटल में जाएंगे तो आपको आर्टिफिशियल लेमन जूस पीने को देंगे और हाथ धोने के लिए रियल लेमन देंगे. Is it not true? If you agree with me, please type T in the chat box. I need the response. Is it not true कि रियल जूस को बोला जाता है रियल, जबकि वो रियल है ही नहीं? Huh? And actual fruits, no one. If God was so smart, he would have hung the juices in the trees. Even the bacteria will not take the real juice. Real juice खराब नहीं होता है, या Coca-Cola या Thumbs Up वो खराब नहीं होता है, because so much preservatives are there that even the bacteria and the coronavirus will not take it, but we take it into our system, and we are not taking the natural foods which is available according to the nature. सो जूस किसको पीना चाहिए? जूस उसी को पीना चाहिए जिसके बॉडी में एनर्जी नहीं है. अगर भगवान ने आपको 32 दांत दिए हैं तो चबा के फल को खाओ, राइट? देयर इज नो नीड टू टेक जूसेस, एंड इफ एट ऑल यू आर वेरी सिक, यू कैन टेक स्मूदीज. फ्रॉम एक्सट्रैक्टेड फैट्स एंड ऑयल्स टू होल फैट्स, नट्स एंड सीड, फ्रॉम पील्ड फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स टू अनपील्ड एंड whole fruits, and from frying, overcooking, it is better to poaching, blanching, steaming and dry roasting. पता है ये कौन सा युग है? This is Kali Yuga. The real thing will be considered unreal and the unreal thing will be considered real. लोगों को ये भी नहीं पता है कि कच्चे फल काट के धोना चाहिए या धो के काटना चाहिए, right? So I'm just telling you clear cut, right? Never wash the fruits or vegetables after cutting it, because when you cut it and then you wash it, all the fertilizers go within and all the nutrition goes out. So always wash the fruit, wash the vegetables, and then you cut it. From pesticide and chemical laden food to organic food, and from animal based food to plant based food. आजकल व्हाइट रेवोल्यूशन आ गया इंडिया में. दूध 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 पियो दूध in every season, पियो दूध for healthy reason, रहोगे तुम फिर and fine, you live up to 99. और वो जब अमूल की छोटी बेटी को हम देखते हैं, अमूल इंडिया, the taste of India, तो हमें क्या लगता है कि अमूल मिल्क is the best milk. Now, my dear friends, I'll clearly tell you, that this process of pasteurization, which increases the temperature of the milk all of a sudden, and then reduces it, and then all of a sudden increases it, this type of packed milk is most dangerous for the body. And according to the latest research by Dr. Neil Bernard, by Dr. Cusin, what is the milk which should be taken? देसी गाय का दूध, जो जंगल में विचरण करते हुए गाय, जो बिल्कुल, those who are happy cows, if you take that milk, that is amrit. But if you're pushing injections of oxytocin and progesterone into the dairy farm, which is there, and constantly inseminating the cows, and when the cow is pregnant, you pull the calf, and that milk, you are packing it and then you pasteurizing it. This milk is not milk, but that milk is poison. You all can go to the website cowspiracy.com and see all the details. मैं सच बोलने वाला हूँ, सच कड़वा है, don't mind my dear friends, क्योंकि मुझे सच बोलना है, ये सच को मैंने experience किया है. How you eat is more important than what you eat. My weight had become 140 kgs because of extreme stress in medical sciences. I was having burgers and pizzas, and I was taking this packed milk because I was not having the time. Practice kindness and compassion towards yourself and your food. Eat the food which is plant-based. No white rice. Nowadays we have diamond basmati rice, and we have silver basmati rice, and we have gold basmati rice. अरे rice को घिस घिस के उसका सारा nutrients को निकाल के बस अंदर का white लेते, फिर constipation होते हैं. Do you know that the most dangerous diet is this buffet diet which we get in the parties? There is Mexican, there is Italian, there is Chinese, there is Indian, there is Vrindavan ki lassi, and there is sarso da saag, and there is idli and dosa. All these things go inside the system, and there is a huge blast. And do you know, when you come to know कि गलत खाना हो गया, when next day you go to the bathroom, you realize that कुछ गड़बड़ खा लिया. How many of you agree with me? Please type AG in the chat box if you are with me and such life experiences you have got. Eat the fresh food, unprocessed food, unjunk food, and artificially processed food. Eat the food the way nature had made, not the way you are processing. Thank you, Nayan. Thank you, Sangeet. Dr. Mahendra. Thank you, Tejas. Thank you, Akshay. I'm loving the energy. I give classes in IITs and IITs. I have addressed more than 5 lakh students. इतना कोरोना में तकलीफ इसलिए है क्योंकि जीना नहीं आता. The medical science teaches about the dead body, and engineering teaches about the matter, energy, and interconversion of matter and energy. Which is the university which will teach about the life sciences? Which is the university will teach about how to live the life? And that answer is there in the Bhagavad Gita, and that answer is there in the spiritual scriptures. I have gone to the Buddhist monasteries. I have stayed with the Buddhist monks in Tibet, and I have seen that how they eat. Nowadays, we are eating standing. If you go from Bombay, if you go to the local trains in Bombay, I have seen there is one hand, vada pav is हाथ में है, लेकिन बेचारा vada pav को हाथ मुंह तक घुसा नहीं पा रहा क्योंकि बीच में 2 लोग हैं. जैसे ही vada pav पास में आता है, ट्रेन का झटका आता है, लेकिन वो vada pav को खा नहीं पाता है, right? At youth, a person uses his health for wealth. At old age, he uses for wealth on health. And at the time of death, he loses both. So many people are doing so much success, and all of a sudden they are dying because they are not knowing the basics of health. All of you are very valuable students, your teachers, your professors, your alumni, and your life is very important for the progress of this country. So it is very, very vital for you to keep important and track of your health. And today I will be covering PQ, EQ, IQ, and SQ. गाड़ी के 4 पहिए, PQ physical quotient, EQ emotional quotient, IQ intelligence quotient, and SQ spiritual quotient. Eat mindfully. There is lack of time, otherwise I would have told you how to eat. It is told in the scriptures that whatever you eat, you offer it to the universe, you offer it to God, and then you take it. It is not that everything has a discipline behind it. You have seen Nike. Nike ka kya hai? Just do it, just do it. My question is, can you just do it? When you're traveling in the red traffic signal and the signal is red, can you just go ahead? No, you'll be behind the bars. Or sometimes the lectures are very boring in the colleges and you feel like going and giving a tight slap to the lecturer. Can you just do it? You'll fail in the exams. And sometimes you had some outside food and you're traveling in a PMT bus and your stomach is gurgling and you just want to run to the bathroom. Can you just do it? No, there are rules, there is regulation. There is a way the Prakriti works in this world. Eat according to your hunger. Eat at least 2 hours before you go to bed. Bless the food and thank the people who made it possible for you to enjoy the food. If it came from a plant, my dear friends, mind my words, if it came from a plant, eat it. But if it was made in a plant matlab industry, right? Don't eat it. Did you ever get a news in the ad? Palak saag ka ad, shafu saag ka ad. Did you get an ad about an apple? Apple khana chahiye. लेकिन एप्पल फिज का ऐड आता है, थम्स अप, टेस्ट द थंडर. हाँ, इसका ऐड क्यों आता है? राइट? Ask these questions to yourself. Eat the local and seasonal food. Choose organic over artificially grown food. And you know what is the biggest mistake? थोड़ा झटका दूंगी आप लोग को. Are you ready? If you're ready, please type R in the chat box. Jhatka. If you're ready, please type R in the chat box. One small change. Wow, Yashwant, Sangeeta, Abhilasha, Akshay. I am loving the the receptivity with which you're hearing, because I am speaking stuff which is very tough. Such kadwa hota hai, right? So अगर आपको चाय और कॉफी पीने की आदत है तो पीजिए, लेकिन थोड़ा कम कर दीजिए. Don't take the coffee or the tea right after getting up. You know, people take bed tea. हाँ, बिना उठे ही चाय पी लेते हैं. So you are poisoning your whole system because the pH of blood is 7.3. And if you take the tea and the coffee right after getting up early in the morning, you're making your whole system acidic. And that is why you're getting peptic ulcers and you're getting a lot of, poison and constipation and so many problems. So whenever you get up in the morning, the first thing which you should eat is a fruit. You should take that whole fruit and don't mix the fruits. आजकल को लोगों को विरोधाभास, dads, they don't know. They will eat angur with watermelon and they will take a mixed fruit chaat and they will put the chaat masala over the fruit. There is a system to everything. Avoid using microwave and aluminum and non-stick utensils, and always read the list of ingredients in the food. My dear friends, this is a paradigm shift. If you want to be happy and healthy in life, don't complain about genetics. Sir, मेरे तो पापा मोटे, मेरे तो दादा मोटे, मेरे तो परदादा मोटे, तो मैं मोटा क्यों नहीं होऊंगा सर? अरे दोस्त, मेलोडी खाओ, खुद जान जाओ, प्रैक्टिस तो करके देखो. Don't complain about genetics. You change your lifestyle. From refined, you shift to whole. From animal foods, you shift to plant foods. From pesticide laden, you shift to organic foods. And from processed, you go to natural foods. And दोस्तों, एक और झटका मैं आप लोगों को देने वाला हूं. शरीर का भोजन है सात्विक आहार, मन का भोजन है अच्छे विचार, और आत्मा का भोजन है the spiritual text, the meditation, the yoga, the pranayam and the mantras. This is very important to understand. Now all of you have to answer me, and I need more participation. 60 people over here. Did you ever get a news in the Times of India that today a monkey committed suicide? आज एक बंदर ने सुसाइड कर लिया क्योंकि वो लाइफ से फ्रस्ट्रेट हो गया. हाँ, अपने पूंछ पे उल्टा लटका दिया, मैं मरना चाहता हूँ. और dog had a fight with the bitch and the bitch says, I want to die, you are making my life frustrated, and he comes in front of the railway track, मैं मरना चाहती हूँ. Who is the most intelligent species? Humans. Why do they commit suicide? Because there is body, there is mind, and there is soul. I was taking a class in IIT Mumbai around 2 months back. It was a Zoom session. And there were 128 students in the room, BTechs, MTechs, PhDs, and professors. And I asked a very simple question in the start. I asked a question, aap kaun hai? Someone said, I'm Rohan. I told, I'm not asking your name. I'm asking, who are you? Well, I'm an engineer. I told, I'm not asking your designation. I'm asking, who are you? Someone said, I'm an Indian. I said, I'm not asking your citizenship. I'm asking, who are you? Someone said, well, I'm a boy. I told, I'm not asking your sex. I'm asking, who are you? And if I ask the same question to all of you, my dear friends, there are many colleges here like Singer Institute. Please type in the chat box, human being. Well, Saraswati, you are a human being and Rohan is also a human being. So is Saraswati equal to Rohan? I want a deeper answer, Saraswati. Please type in the chat box. Who are you? Basics pe pehle baat karte na. So please give a big hand to Dr. Mahendra. and Akash, who are answering the questions wonderfully. अरे बड़ी बड़ी बातें करना बाद में करते हैं, पहले ये तो जान जाए मैं कौन हूं. वासांसि जीर्णानि यथा विहाय. Huh? In the first chapters of Bhagavad Gita, it is mentioned that you are not the body, you are the spirit soul. In the Quran, it is mentioned that you are ruha, you are ruh. And in the Bible, it is mentioned that you are the spirit soul. Jesus said, what gaineth the whole world when you won the whole world but lost track of the soul? So if you want to be healthy, I just can't give you a partial information, right? So I have to say that there is food for the body, there is food for the mind, and there is food for the soul. And only if you give fooding to your body, but your mind is disturbed, all of a sudden, there will be a calamity in your life. And if you're not feeding the soul, then there is something wrong in your life. So this is one of the most important slides. Yeah, I will take the questions later, don't worry. One of the most important slides which I wanted to cover here is that we have to understand that if you're not happy at the level of the mind, you won't be happy at the level of the body. So now I'll be going in a super fast speed because of lack of time. You need to see, Abhi, all of you are sitting in this room and you're seeing that there is some raise in energy of the room, because we are raising the energy of the room so that the learning is there. So if you want to keep yourself energetically clean, कभी-कभी किसी के hostel room में जाएंगे तो बड़ा अजीब negative energy आता है. You want to get out of that room. But if you go to a temple, if you go to a church, if you go to a holy place, you feel the positive vibes, the positive. एक मधुमक्खी घूम घूम के कचरे में भी जाके फूल पे बैठेगी और एक मक्खी घूम घूम के फूल में भी जाके कचरे पे बैठेगी. How many of you agree with me? So in your food, use hing, use camphor, wipe the floor with salt water, wear fresh clothes, do puja, yoga, meditation, remove the clutter, write astrology, media detox, and good relationships. So please understand there is meditation. And if you ask in one line, our meditator is perfectly healthy because he's working at the level of the soul, the mind, and the body. And what is meditation? Very simple. Meditation means from thinking to feeling to being. आप लोग नोट कर लीजिए मेरे दोस्तों, 20 साल में अलग अलग आश्रम्स में I have gone. I spent 55 lakh rupees internationally to understand this meditation deeply. What is meditation? Meditation means from thinking to feeling to being. I'm always thinking in the mind, मैं क्या करूं, मैं क्या करूं, क्या ना करूं, ये कैसी मुश्किल है, कोई तो बता दे इसका हल रे मेरे भाई. Right? Because we are constantly thinking, she loves me not. वो मेरे को ऐसे क्यों देख रही है, वैसे क्यों देख रही है, पूरा टाइम माउंड में डाउट चलता रहता है. Right? So from thinking, you can need to come to feeling. Right? What kind of feelings you are having towards other living entities, towards the world, towards God, towards Paramatma. What is the relationship between the Atma and the Paramatma? And the highest level of meditation is the existence, the soul. Mamaevangsho jivaloke jiva bhuta sanatana. Krishna is telling in Bhagavad Gita, Prakrite kriyamanani gune karmani sarvasha ahankara vimhodatma karta hamiti manyate. We are part and parcels, right? Yeah, thank you, Dr. Mahendra, for those wonderful inputs. I'm really loving it. Please understand that engineering or medical करते करते अपने आप को आप मत भूल जाइए. Recently, I got a divorce case issue from Pune, where the wife had ordered something from Zomato after just marriage 1 month. And the husband told, तुमने local restaurant से क्यों नहीं मंगाया? And she got so upset. She took out her BMW and went back to Mumbai. And she told the husband, तुमको इतना पैसा मेरे पे खर्चा नहीं किया जा रहा है. Small fights are causing such big problems. Why? Because the mind is not controlled. Bandhuratma atmanastasya yenatma evatmana jitaha. I have treated at least 5,000 corona patients just by mudras. Just by mudras, because the Pancha Mahabhut is there: earth, water, fire, air, ether. When the oxygen level is dipping, put a particular mudra. There is Chin Mudra, Abhaya Mudra, Adi Mudra, Vayu Mudra. And believe me, I'm not an Ayurvedic doctor. I'm an MBBS, MD professor and a head of the department with various international papers. And I have done tremendous research in life sciences. And that's why I'm sending you. Thank you, Dr. Mahendra. I do understand that. Thank you so much. सो 5 नित्य कर्म जो हर व्यक्ति को करना चाहिए, जब तब, ध्यान, हवन, पूजा एंड भक्ति. एंड व्हाट इज द इंपॉर्टेंट? इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू पुट ऑयल इन द हेयर. ऑल ऑफ यू नो द umbilicus, right? For example, if you're having a dry skin, if you're having a problem of psoriasis, right? So I'm giving you a very simple technique. You know, you take the pure ghee and put it in the umbilicus, because umbilicus is the point. You have seen the medical science symbol, that is the yin and the yang energy. There is Ida and the Pingla Nadi, and there are 72,000 nerves combining at the level of the umbilicus, where the child is connected to the mother. You have regular application of oil and you will see a tremendous difference. इसीलिए कहते हैं जिसका पेट नरम और पैर गरम, he is very healthy. और जिसके पैर, yani keep your souls very healthy. A recent research was done where a plate of Karela juice was there, and a person was standing over the plate. All of a sudden, after half an hour, he got a sensation of that Karela in the tongue. How it is possible? That is possible by energy meridians. And this is one of the most important slides, my dear friends. In this slide, you will understand how this world functions, right? So our body is made up of muscles, bones, and other things. But actually, the whole periodic table is there in the body. How many of you are able to see my cursor? Please type C in the chat box. If you are able to see my cursor, thank you, Yashwant, and look at the cursor carefully. So there is earth inside the body. There is water, 90% of the water. और fire कहाँ है? The fire of digestion. उसको पूछो जिसको कोरोना में 103 डिग्री फ़ारेनहाइट है कि उसको कितना हीट महसूस हो रहा है. And there is air and there is empty space. What is the difference between mind and brain? Mind is software and brain is the hardware. And there is gross body or sthul sharir, and there is sukshma sharir, mind, intelligence and ego. आज के लोगों को बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है सर कि मेरा माइंड डिस्टर्ब है सर, मैं खुश नहीं हूं. कैसे खुश हो सकते हो दोस्त, जब समझे ही नहीं कि तुम कौन हो, इस दुनिया में क्यों आए हो, एंड व्हाट इज द पर्पस ऑफ योर लाइफ. जैसे तुमको समझ में आ जाएगा, तो वो हस्बैंड जिसकी वाइफ भाग गई थी, when I was doing the counseling for that person, he said, सर सारे लोग मेरे जिंदगी से दूर भागते जा रहे हैं. मैंने सिर्फ उससे एक प्रश्न पूछा, क्या तुम अपने आप से बहुत दूर भागते जा रहे हो? मेरे दोस्त, तुम अपने आप से पूछो कि क्या तुम अपने आप से बहुत दूर भागते जाते हो? इस दुनिया के काम को करते 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 there is no end. We are losing touch with ourselves. We are losing touch with ourselves. हम अपने आत्म बुद्धि से देहात्म बुद्धि में आ रहे हैं, और चूंकि हम बार बार देहात्म बुद्धि में आ रहे हैं, हमारे लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम्स बढ़ते जा रहे हैं. जैसे ही आप देहात्म बुद्धि से आत्म बुद्धि में आते हो, you come in touch with the spirit soul. And Krishna is telling in Bhagavad Gita, Mamaevangsho jiva loke jiva bhuta sanatanaha aham sarvasva prabhavo matta sarvam pravartate iti matva bhajante mam buddha bhava samanvitaha. So these are not some mythological stories given by Max Muller. There is Kurukshetra, there is Ramayana, there is Mahabharata, there is Kishkinda, there is Rameshwaram, there is Vrindavan, there is Mathura. Huh? I was giving a class in IIT and someone told me, sir, have you seen God? I asked him, have you seen air? He said, no, I can't see air. I told, can you experience air? He said, yes, I can. I told, what is the nearest object to your eyes? He told, eyelashes. I told, can you see that? He said, no. I told, what is the farthest object in your eyes? He said, infinity. I told, can you see that? I told, बीच में क्या है? हवा. Can you see that? हवा को तो महसूस करते हैं, right? एक गुलाब जामुन और रसगुल्ले के टेस्ट में क्या अंतर है, ये कोई लैंग्वेज से समझाया नहीं जा सकता है. चाहे मैं बंगाली बोलूं या मराठी बोलूं या कश्मीरी बोलूं या पंजाबी बोलूं या तमिल बोलूं या तेलुगु बोलूं, मेलोडी खाओ, खुद जान जाओ. रसगुल्ला और गुलाब जामुन के टेस्ट में क्या अंतर है, इसको अगर आपको जानना है, एक ही तरीका है, खाओ और देखो. So similarly, the most important thing to understand is the Atma. And दोस्तों, how many of you want a gift from me? And I'm telling you a promise, my God, all the participants are sticking on. If you want a special gift from me on a Teacher's Day, of course it's a post-Teacher's Day, please type G in the chat box, G for gift. G for gift. I'm going to give all of you, I'm sitting very far and yet I'm sitting very near to your hearts. And I'm going to give a special gift to all of you in the end of the seminar. My only condition is that you have to stick on till the end, my dear friends. कुछ पाने के लिए कुछ करना तो पड़ता ही है. And surely just remind me. Thank you very much. I love the modesty. My dear friends. आजकल लोग खुशी के लिए मर रहे हैं. लाइफ में सब कुछ है, but खुशी नहीं है. So remember the 4 hormones are very important in your body. These 4 hormones are very important in your body: the dopamine, the oxytocin, the serotonin, and the endorphin. Dopamine helps you complete a task, and it helps you doing self-care activities like eating food. Oxytocin is the love hormone, playing with a dog, playing with a baby, holding a hand, hugging your family members. Serotonin is the mood stabilizer, and endorphins are the painkillers. So always make always make sure that you are full with all these 4 hormones in the body. And how to feed food? भैया बहुत कुछ कवर करना है, बहुत कुछ देना है, समय निकलता जा रहा है, अब जल्दी जल्दी बताऊंगा। खाना कभी भी डाइनिंग टेबल में बैठ के मत खाइए, जमीन पे बैठिए क्रॉस लेग पोजीशन में, बिकॉज द चक्रास आर बैलेंस. सुखासन ऑन मैट ओवर द मदर अर्थ, वुडन डेस्क. मैंने बोला अगर आपको खुश होना है, गो बैक एंड समवन शुड बी सर्विंग योर मील. योर माइंड शुड बी पीसफुल, सीरीन, फुल ऑफ ग्रेटिट्यूड, साइलेंट. आजकल घर में इतने झगड़े क्यों हो रहे हैं? क्योंकि जब बीवी खाना बताती तब हस्बैंड उस पर चिल्लाता है, तू ऐसे करती है, वैसे करती है, और सारा गुस्सा वो खाना में मिला के खाना बना देती है और वही खिला देती है. अब गुस्से को खाने के साथ वो खा गया, अब उसका ब्लड प्रेशर बढ़ रहा है और बोल रहा है, डॉक्टर डॉक्टर मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, मेरा ब्लड प्रेशर क्यों बढ़ रहा है? अरे राजू, क्यों नहीं समझ में आ रहा है? डाबर लाल दंत मंजन जो लगा रहे हो. सो देखिए, आप लोगों ने प्रसाद खाया होगा मंदिर में, राइट? You might have taken the langar in the gurudwaras. You may have taken the Tirupati Balaji ka laddu or modaks of Ganesh Chaturthi is coming. You see, it has a special taste. How many of you agree that there is a special taste of prasad? Please type T in the chat box. T for taste. Special taste. Yeah. Now, how is the taste coming? If you go to Jagannath Puri, if you go to Dwarka, that special taste comes from the energy, the spiritual energy which is there in that food. अब लंगर खा के देखिए, वही चावल वही दाल, बट उसमें एक अलग टेस्ट होता है. लेकिन वही रेस्टोरेंट में देयर इज टिटिलेशन ऑफ सेंसेस, बट इट विल नॉट गिव यू सेटिस्फैक्शन. जैसे अंकल चिप्स कितना भी खाते रहो, वो सेटिस्फैक्शन नहीं आता है. कुछ दिन बाद बोलते हैं सर रोटी दाल सब्जी चपाती चाहिए. सो गो बियॉन्ड द मोड्स. व्हाट आर द प्रिकॉशंस? नो टॉकिंग, नो यूजिंग मोबाइल, नो लिसनिंग टू अदर्स. खाते समय बस खाना खाइए. वन ऑफ द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स इन मेडिटेशन इज माइंडफुलनेस. जब क्लास दे रहे सिर्फ क्लास दीजिए. हाँ, ये मल्टीटास्किंग नहीं करना चाहिए. ब्रेन सेल्स गेट कंफ्यूज्ड. When you're eating, just eat. When you're seeing, just see. When you're hearing, just hear. When you're talking, just talk. And the directions, avoid facing the south direction. There is Vastu, and there are, because we have a North Pole and a South Pole, and Earth also has a North and a South Pole, right? There are tremendous things we should take care of. So water, खाना कब खाना चाहिए? लोग कितनी गलतियां करते हैं. खाना खाने के बाद ऐसे गटागट पानी पी जाते हैं और फिर चौड़ा होने लगते हैं. फिर बोलते हैं सर मैं कौन से जिम में जाऊं, मेरा वेस्ट 42 से 48 हो गया. अरे बाबा, everything is there in the Gita, the Bhagavad, the Purans. Everything is there in the Ayurveda, the Shastras, the Yoga. You just need to read it. Water before food is medicinal. Water during food is nectarian, and water after food is poison. जैसे तवा में तुरंत पानी डाल देने से उसमें बस आवाज निकलती है. What kind of foods we should eat? It should be sattvic. It should be offered to the Lord or the universe, and natural organic foods. कितना खाना खाना चाहिए लोगों को पता ही नहीं होता, ठूसते रहते हैं. कितने लोगों को एक्सपीरियंस है यहाँ पे कि जब आपको गुस्सा आता है आप बहुत ज्यादा खा जाते हैं और बाद में पेट भर जाता है लेकिन तृप्ति नहीं मिलती. प्लीज टाइप इन द चैट बॉक्स मी. कितने लोगों को एक्सपीरियंस है कि जब आपको गुस्सा आता है खा जाते हो 4 सैंडविच, 8 सैंडविच, या पूरा एक कोक का बोतल पी जाएंगे? हाँ, because what is happening? Because the emotions. Thank you Sushant Lal for that modest comment. Thank you Dr. Sahani. Right, so half of the stomach should be filled with food, 1/4 with water, and 1/4 with empty space. Of course, the steps of mindful eating, there is lack of time because we started late. Go through this. जब भी खाना खाते हैं पंच रस को एक्सपीरियंस कीजिए. टेक इट, फील इट, गो स्लो, एक्सपीरियंस द टेस्ट, एक्सपीरियंस द अरोमा. थैंक गॉड, थैंक द यूनिवर्स, थैंक द फार्मर हु हैज मेड इट, एंड च्यू द फूड्स. इसीलिए खाना को पीना चाहिए और पानी को खाना चाहिए. घोट घोट से पानी पीना चाहिए. So there are food in the 3 modes as mentioned in the Bhagavad Gita: the Sattva-guni food, the Rajoguni food, and the Tamasic food. And these are all the shlokas from Bhagavad Gita. Patram pushpam phalam toyam yo me bhaktya prayachati duryodhan ka bhog na bhayo vidur ghar rukhe sa khayo. मम्मी के हाथ का खाना. आजकल रेस्टोरेंट्स में भी लिखा रहता है माँ के हाथ का दाल, घर का टिफिन. बट वो घर का टिफिन हो नहीं सकता है क्योंकि वो फीलिंग हो नहीं सकता है. इट्स ऑल अबाउट एनर्जी माय डियर फ्रेंड्स. सो इफ यू वांट द डिफरेंट स्टेजेस ऑफ हेल्थ, These are the non-vegetarian food is not meant for human beings. और वो सारे प्रोटीन वाले क्वेश्चन में आंसर कर दूंगा, घबराइए मत. We need to do mindful eating. Success in health is a journey, not a destination. Always offer the food before you eat. और इस दुनिया में जितना खाना बर्बाद होता है ना दोस्तों, उससे पूरा वर्ल्ड एक्चुअली हर दिन खाना खा सकता है. सो हम लोग तो प्लेट में खाना को बर्बाद कर देते हैं, लेकिन वो किसान मेहनत करता है, उससे खाना बनता है, हार्वेस्ट होता है, उसके बाद वो राइस मिल में जाता है, राइस मिल में डालने के बाद वो फैक्ट्री में जाता है, उसके बाद ट्रक से दुकान से आपके पास पहुंचता है, और उस खाना को हम बर्बाद कर देते हैं. इसीलिए अन्न ब्रह्मा अन्नपूर्णा, you should be respectful the food which is coming to you, and you should eat it with gratitude, right? So we should respect the food and eat it with gratitude, and then our food impacts the life. So the Sattva-guni food increase the mode of goodness, but the Rajaguni and the Tamasic foods increase the mode of passions. Foods which are grown naturally are Sattvic foods, and Yuktahara Viharasya Yukta Cheshtasya Karmasu Yukta Swapnavabodhasya Yogo Bhavati Dukkhaha. If anyone is balanced in his habits of eating, sleeping, recreation, and work, he can be always happy. So the golden rule for health, doston, this is one of the gifts which I'm giving you, and try it from today. Try it from today. हम लोग क्या करते हैं? थोड़ा बिस्किट खा लेते हैं, थोड़ा सा चाय पी लेते हैं, फिर उसके बाद थोड़ा सा खाना खा लेते हैं, और क्या बोलते हैं? रुजुता दिविकर डाइट, करिश्मा कपूर का डाइट. दिस इज नॉनसेंस डाइट, ओके? बिकॉज एक बार खाए योगी, दो बार खाए भोगी, और तीन बार खाए होगी. होगी मीन्स हॉग, राइट? एनीवे वी कैन टेक 3 times, बट याद रखिए कि चाहे आप सरसों का बीज खा रहे हैं या चाहे आप एक बिस्किट खा रहे हैं, बॉडी को समझ में नहीं आता कि वो एक बिस्किट है कि वो पूरा थाली है. जैसे ही आप एक बिस्किट खाएंगे, आप पूरा बॉडी को पूरा मेहनत करा रहे हैं. एंट्रोकाइनेस, पैनक्रियाज, इंसुलिन, सलाइवेशन, बाइल, और पूरा फैक्ट्री को दिन भर चालू रख रहे हैं. दोस्तों, क्या आप लोग को रेस्ट चाहिए होता है? डू यू नीड रेस्ट इन योर लाइफ? इफ यू नीड रेस्ट इन योर लाइफ, प्लीज टाइप R in the chat box. आंसर्स लिखिए, प्लीज टाइप R in the chat box if you need rest in your life. रेस्ट के बिना कोई जी नहीं सकता. थैंक यू HP, थैंक यू अभिलाषा, संगीता, कार्तिकेय, अभिलाषा, सुमित, यशवंत, सुशांत, ललित. आई एम लविंग द एनर्जी इन द रूम. स्नेहा, अच्युत, थैंक यू वेरी मच. सरस्वती, अगर आपको रेस्ट चाहिए तो क्या आपके फैक्ट्री को रेस्ट नहीं चाहिए? ये जो दिन भर हम लोग जुगाली करते रहते हैं, थोड़ा बिस्किट, थोड़ा ये, थोड़ा एप्पल चिप्स, थोड़ा सा कोक पी लिया, थोड़ा सा चाय पी लिया. अरे वो बॉडी है भाई, भगवान का दिया हुआ मंदिर है, परमात्मा का जगह है, उसके साथ क्यों खिलवाड़ कर रहे हो? जैसे ही आप एक सरसों का बीज रखते हो, इसीलिए द लेटेस्ट डाइट इज बाय जिस्कर, एंड द लेटेस्ट डाइट विच इज currently famous in the international industry is that खाओ पेट भर के, लेकिन बार बार मत खाओ. मुंह को जूठा नहीं रखना चाहिए, राइट? Go back, live the way our ancestors were living. So after the health topic, in the next few slides, in the next 15 minutes, I will be ending this seminar. और मैं आप लोग सबको एक गिफ्ट देने वाला हूं जो लोग टिके हुए हैं. And I'm seeing all 50 participants here. So दुनिया का जो आपका गाड़ी है 4 पहियों में चलता है. अगर एक चक्का में हवा ज्यादा हो गया, एक में कम हो गया, गाड़ी चलेगी नहीं. देयर इज PQ, फिजिकल क्वोशंट, जो हमने कवर किया हेल्थ. EQ भी मैं कवर करूंगा, इमोशनल क्वोशंट. IQ की बात मैं बीच बीच में कर रहा हूं, और SQ लास्ट में बताऊंगा. दोस्तों, लाइफ में अपना नीड्स को समझिए. इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड योर नीड्स. If you don't understand your needs, because self-awareness is very important. If you are not self-aware about who you are, what your body is constantly talking to you. डॉक्टर सौरभ, अभी आप खाना खा लीजिए. डॉक्टर सौरभ, अभी आपको नींद की जरूरत है. डॉक्टर सौरभ, आपको बहुत मीठा खाने का मन कर रहा है, तो मीठा खाइए. बिकॉज दैट टाइम द मिठास वाला रस आपके बॉडी में कम हो गया है. आपको गुस्सा आ रहा है, काम, क्रोध, लोभ, मोह, घृणा, मद, मत्सर्य, इसके कारण तिक्त रस बॉडी में बढ़ गया है. एंड नाउ यू नीड सम मिठास, एंड द बॉडी टेल्स यू, डॉक्टर साहब थोड़ा मीठा खा लीजिए. That time you should take the मीठा. और कोई सिर्फ मीठा खा रहा है, कुछ दिन बाद बॉडी बोलेगा भाई कुछ नमकीन मंगा लो, पिटला बकरी मंगा लो. हाँ, so please understand your needs and become very self-aware. So understand this important gift which I am giving you. This will change your life, right? So instead of judging people, you observe people. Instead of being in the thoughts, feel the feelings. Instead of blaming others, connect to your needs, and instead of demanding, put the requests. Okay. And I will be telling you some very important topics. Keep your mind under control. How to keep your mind under control? Because if the mind is disturbed, everything is disturbed. If you're in the best of 5-star hotels, if you're in the great suite of a 7-star hotel in Mauritius, लेकिन आपका हार्डवेयर यानी ब्रेन, जिसका सॉफ्टवेयर यानी माइंड, उसमें 6 वायरस घूम रहे हैं, लस्ट, एंगर, प्राइड, ग्रीड, एनवी, इल्यूजन. So mind in itself is neither good nor bad. A knife in the hand of surgeon can save life, and in the hand of miscreant it can take life. So make mind your enemy. और आज हमारी हालत कुछ ऐसी है, सारे फैसिलिटी होते हुए भी हम extremely frustrated हैं because we don't understand about life. So be responsible to people, not for people. ये सारे स्लाइड्स का स्क्रीनशॉट आप लोग ले लीजिए. हाँ, ये एक एक लाइन आपके जिंदगी को बदलाव कर देगी, क्योंकि ये लाइंस मैंने रियलाइज किया है. Be responsible to people, don't be responsible for people. Consequences are barbs on the fences of the boundaries of relationship. When the need is fulfilled, you get a happy feeling. When the need is not fulfilled, you get bad feeling. कभी भी अपने feelings को neglect मत कीजिए, because that is the signal which is coming from the internal subconscious mind, and behind every feeling there is a hidden need. याद रखिए दोस्तों, जो भी चीज में आप अटेंशन देंगे उसमें ग्रोथ होगा, जो चीज अटेंशन नहीं देंगे ग्रोथ नहीं होगा. जिस खिड़की को हर दिन खोला जाता है वहां एनर्जी फ्लो होगा, और जो खिड़की में नहीं खोला जाता है उसमें जंग लग जाएगा. जो कुआं से पानी हर दिन निकाला जाता है उस कुएं का पानी मीठा होता है, और जिस कुएं से पानी निकलता नहीं है वो पानी सड़ने लगता है. नाउ दिस इज अ ब्यूटीफुल स्टेटमेंट. कितने लोगों को यहाँ प्रॉब्लम है जिनको ना नहीं बोलना आता है लोगों को? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू फेस अ प्रॉब्लम हियर that you cannot say no to people, even you want to say no? Please type me in the chat box. Me in the chat box. Thank you Yashwant, thank you for your modesty. Thank you Sangeeta, Lalit, Abhilasha, Sushant. मुझे पता है ना लोगों की गाड़ी कहाँ कहाँ अटकती है. तो ये लाइन, फील दिस लाइन. अगर आपको कोई बोले कि आप ना क्यों कर रहे हो, तो उसको ये बोलो. क्या बोलो? I don't say no because I am so busy. I say no because I don't want to be so busy. It's a very deep line. Please take the screenshots. Appreciate those who gossip about you, because it's not easy for someone to leave their problems and carry your problems in their head. And as teachers, many teachers are sitting here. Many of my colleagues are sitting here. Many amazing alumni are sitting here. दोस्तों याद रखिए, among all the sections of the society, teacher should be the most amazing person who should be really given a lot of personal care, touch, attention, because a teacher teaches the real knowledge. Okay, 90%, 10% to 90%, 10% you remember by reading, 20% by audio visual. जिन लोगों ने वीडियो ऑन रखा है वो लोग ज्यादा सीखेंगे, जिन लोग ऑफ रखें कम सीखें. 30% by demonstration, 50% by discussion, 75% by practicing, and 90% is when you teach others after you experience life. Be the type of energy that no matter where you go, you always add value to the spaces around your life. कई लोगों को प्रॉब्लम है, सर मुझे कोई पसंद नहीं करता. How many of you, अपने दिल पे हाथ रख के बोलिए तो, how many of you really feel that सर मुझे कोई समझ नहीं पाता, मेरी मम्मी मुझे नहीं समझ पाती, मेरे पापा मुझे नहीं समझ पाते, मेरा टीचर मुझे नहीं, सर मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड तो मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं समझ पाती, सर मेरी बीवी मुझे नहीं समझ पाती. पता है क्यों? क्योंकि आप अपने आप को नहीं समझ पा रहे हो. The day आप अपने आप को समझ में लगे, according to the law of attraction, the universe will present, God will present a situation where people, your vibe attracts your tribe. The frequency which with you resonate. बाहर कोई changes करने की जरूरत नहीं है, आप अंदर में changes लगे. अगर कोई आपको बोल रहा है, सर वो मुझे like नहीं करता, सर मुझे प्रेम नहीं मिलता. So Byron Katie, international personality and counselor, says, it's not your job to like me, it's mine. ये तुम्हारा काम नहीं है कि तुम मुझे प्रेम करो, ये मेरा काम है कि मैं अपने आत्मा को समझूं और उससे प्रेम करूं. Life is simple. दोस्तों, now I am giving you a gift. और जैसे जैसे एंड में आऊंगा ज्यादा गिफ्ट्स दूंगा, बिकॉज आप लोग 1 घंटे तक टिके हुए हो. ये लाइन को ध्यान से नोट कीजिए दोस्तों. everything happens for you, not to you. Everything in this world happens for you. It does not happen to you. कई बार हम लोग करते हैं, ये मेरे साथ क्यों हुआ, ऐसा मेरे साथ नहीं होना चाहिए था, भगवान अच्छों के साथ बुरा करते हैं, बुरों के साथ अच्छा करते हैं। नहीं दोस्त, जो भी तुम्हारे साथ हो रहा है बेस्ट हो रहा है, because everything happens for you. It does not happen to you. Everything happens exactly at the right moment, neither too soon nor too late. You don't have to like it. It's just easier if you do. And that is what comes in the Bhagavad Gita when Krishna is telling in the last chapter, Sarva dharman parityajya mamekam sharanam vraja aham tvam sarva papebhyo मोक्षयिष्यामि मा शुचः। आज तक तो काफी इक्वेशन सीखे दोस्तों, अब मैं गिफ्ट दे रहा हूं। आई एम गिविंग माय गिफ्ट्स ऑफ लव एंड अप्रिसिएशन टू ऑल द टीचर्स एंड एलुमनीज हु आर हियर। आज तक काफी इक्वेशन सीखे ना लाइफ में, मैंने भी एज अ मेडिकल स्टूडेंट काफी इक्वेशन सीखा, और आप लोग तो इंजीनियर्स हो। हाँ, a plus b होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab। लाइफ का अगर ये इक्वेशन सीख गए, जिंदगी में कभी दुखी नहीं होंगे कि एक्सपेक्टेशन माइनस रियलिटी इज इक्वल टू फ्रस्ट्रेशन। अपना एक्सपेक्टेशन कम 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 करो। और एक्सपेक्टेशन कब कम होता है? जब देहात्म बुद्धि से आप आत्म बुद्धि में होते हो। जब आप देहात्म बुद्धि से आत्म बुद्धि में होते हो, एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑटोमेटिकली हो जाता है। I would have taught you principles of cord cutting, but don't worry, I have some good announcements in the end, how to ground oneself. हर आदमी दुखी है, सबको ब्लेम है, उसने मेरे साथ ऐसा क्यों किया, उसने मेरे साथ धोखा क्यों किया, मैंने तो उसके लिए इतना किया, उसने मेरे लिए क्या किया। मैं ईंट का जवाब पत्थर से दूंगा, मैं रिवेंज करूंगा। डोंट वरी, रिलीज द ब्लेम, एक्नॉलेज द इमोशंस, connect and reconnect to your needs. Understand that you are not the body, you are the spirit soul, and I am part and parcel of the Supreme Lord. ममय वांशु जीव लोके जीव भूत सनातना। योगा कोई जिम्नास्टिक्स नहीं है, ये आसन और वो आसन, that is the physical part of yoga. Yoga comes from the Sanskrit word yuj, and yuj means to connect. Connect what? Connecting the Atma to the Paramatma. As soon as the fish is put back in the water, the fish becomes happy. मछली जल की रानी है। मछली को निकाल के मोबाइल दे दो, गाड़ी दे दो, बंगला दे दो, पैसा दे दो, वो खुश नहीं हो सकती। Right? So you have to understand the nature of the soul and act accordingly. हर आदमी को जिंदगी में सुख और शांति चाहिए, क्योंकि सुख और शांति के बिना कितना भी अच्छा डाइट ले लो, आप हेल्दी हो ही नहीं सकते। Peace is शांति, comfort is आराम, happiness is सुख, and without shanti, sukh becomes lobh and bhog. Acceptance gives satisfaction and seva gives happiness. बहुत डीप लाइंस है दोस्तों, मैं कम से कम समय में ज्यादा से ज्यादा देना चाह रहा हूं। एंड लास्ट फ्यू स्लाइड्स, ये है हमारी जिंदगी की कहानी। कितने लोग को समझ में आया? प्लीज टाइप ME इन द चैट बॉक्स। ये है हमारी जिंदगी की कहानी। बचपन में दूध का बोतल, उसके बाद थोड़ा बड़ा होते हैं तो कोक का बोतल, जब शादी के पहले या बाद में दुनिया में गम बढ़ जाता है, तब पीते हैं बैकपाइप ऑफ गोल्ड। और फाइनली yes, just a second, will it be? Yeah, by 12:30 I'll be ending the session sharp. Thank you. And finally, when you are in the corona ward, there is the glucose and the saline bottle. So life में x axis में है peace और comfort, और y axis में है unlimited happiness. That is possible if you practice the process of spirituality, of connecting the Atma and Paramatma through mantras. हर आदमी की जिंदगी में बैंड बजी हुई है, कोई बोलता है, कोई नहीं बोलता है। आज का व्यक्ति ऐसा है कि वो सोचता कुछ और है, बोलता कुछ और है, दिखाता कुछ और है, करता कुछ और है, और इसीलिए उसके साथ होता कुछ और है। राइट? तो अपनी जिंदगी के एक मैस को एक मैसेज में कन्वर्ट करो और अपने लाइफ में 3 चीज को बढ़ाओ। These are the 3 eyes of training industry: your income, your impact, and your independence. And how that will happen, I will be covering in the last few slides. The principle of energy exchange. इस दुनिया में केवल 5 E is equal to MC square. अन्न का दान, ज्ञान का दान, समय का दान, श्रम का दान और धन का दान। इस दुनिया से जाते वक्त केवल 3 चीज आपके साथ जाता है। आपका धर्म, extremely sorry, अचानक से the network went out, so I'm just sharing last 2-3 slides to go. Okay. Are you able to see my slides? If you're able to see the slides, please type Y in the chat box. Y in the chat box. Quick, quick, quick. 2 minutes to go. Please type Y in the chat box. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. So there was a small, technological glitch because the universe was checking something. Okay. Which I'll be telling you in the end. Okay. So always, अगर life में खुश होना है, लोगों से लो मत, लोगों को दो. Give back a little more from what you have taken from the world. इस दुनिया ने आपको बहुत दिया है, right? Focus on the gratitude and give back. So last 2-3 slides to go. So सबसे पहले श्रवण कीजिए, फिर मनन कीजिए, फिर अभ्यास कीजिए, फिर प्रचार कीजिए. न किसी से ईर्ष्या, न किसी से होड़, अपनी मंजिल, अपनी दौड़, right? So 3 cancers which spoils the health of everyone is cribbing, complaining and criticizing. हर आदमी के जिंदगी में अनसर्टेनिटी है. जब आप उसको एक्सेप्ट करते हैं वो एडवेंचर बन जाता है. जब आप उसको नहीं एक्सेप्ट करते हैं वो फियर बन जाता है. हर आदमी दूसरों का सक्सेस को देखता है. जब उसको एक्सेप्ट करता है तो वो इंस्पिरेशन हो जाता है. जब वो नहीं एक्सेप्ट करता है वो जेलसी बन जाता है. और हर व्यक्ति के इमोशन को जब वो एक्सेप्ट करता है वो टॉलरेंस बन जाता है. जो एक्सेप्ट नहीं करता है वो एंगर बन जाता है. अनसर्टेनिटी वी हैव कवर्ड. So last, I would love to end with the beautiful gift which I'm going to give you. From broken clouds comes the rain. From broken flowers come the fragrance. From broken grounds come the grain. From broken grains come the floor. From broken floor comes the energy. And from the broken heart or the ego comes the love. When you understand this process of spirituality as Atma or the spirit soul, and you understand the Paramatma by reading the Bhagavad Gita, you will be able to understand life. तो क्या आपको जिंदगी ऐसा चाहिए या क्या आपको जिंदगी ऐसा चाहिए, वो आपको डिसाइड कर रहा है दोस्तों. Loving chains that tie, each precious moment flitting by. If you don't use a vision of choice, you won't have one for us to voice, and time will destroy the glorious past. Just memories will remain, memories will last. I am happy and I am also sorry. मुझे बहुत कुछ देना था लेकिन मैं lack of time के कारण दे नहीं पा रहा हूँ. I am requesting my digital team to put the link of my YouTube channel with more than 5,000 subscribers, where I have given these talks all over India. And if you want to know on health, wealth, wellness, relationships, मैंने सब ज्ञान को खोल के YouTube में दिया है, because ज्ञान को कभी charge नहीं करना चाहिए. It should be given freely. So it has been put in the chat box. Anyone who is interested, you can go to the YouTube channel and watch more than 100 videos on all these topics. These are just recorded videos of various sessions which I have been taking. With this, I would like to thank you very much and end with the meditation which I promised you at the end of this session. So my dear friends, thank you for all the wonderful thanks pouring in. अभी मैं आप लोग को असली वाला गिफ्ट देता हूँ. Last 1 minute, it's 12:30. And mind my words very carefully. जब भी लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम हो, कोई भी प्रॉब्लम, जब भी लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम हो, कोई भी प्रॉब्लम, what you need to do is very simple. Close your eyes. Do it with me for a minute. Close your eyes. Focus on your breath. अपनी चेतना को अपने सांसों में ले जाएं और आते हुए सांस और जाते हुए सांस को बड़े ध्यान से देखें और अपने आप को बोलें, I am not this body. I am not this mind. I am not this emotion. I am not this feeling. I am not lust, anger, greed, pride, envy, or illusion. Coming to the positive part of this affirmation is, who am I? I am Satchidananda. I am pure. I am blissful. I am eternal. I am full of knowledge. Only a cloud of conditioning is covering me, which I can remove by practicing the process of spirituality, by the mantra yoga, which is mentioned in the Gita. And as the pure spirit soul, when I connect with the Paramatma, all my problems are dissolving and going. Just keep doing this, and the coordinators of this session will tell you about some follow-up programs. Because of lack of time, I can't give all the details here. Please be in touch. Monsoon का season खत्म होने वाला है. उसके पहले आम का season था. जो आम पेड़ पे लटका रहता है वो खुद पक जाता है, लेकिन जो आम पेड़ से गिर जाता है वो सड़ जाता है। अगस्त 1998, आज से 22 साल पहले, मैं एक स्टूडेंट था, फर्स्ट ईयर एमबीबीएस पुणे में, और मैंने एक सेमिनार अटेंड किया था, लाइफ आफ्टर डेथ, साइंस ऑफ सेल्फ डिस्कवरी। और वो एक सेशन ने मेरे जिंदगी को 180 डिग्री नहीं 360 डिग्री घुमा दिया, और मेरी लाइफ पूरी चेंज हो गई। Today, I'm earning more than 10 lakh rupees per month as a consultant radiologist professor. I'm a motivational speaker. I give 3 to 4 Zoom meetings every day. I'm doing my CT scan and MRI reporting. I'm reading the scriptures. मैंने अपने जिंदगी से have to को हटा के choose to में रह रहा हूँ। और जैसा मेरे gurus, मेरे guides, I would close my hands. I bow down to all my gurus, guides, mentors, teachers, to universe and to Paramatma, who gave me enough in my life. And my greatest happiness is to share this knowledge with all of you, because believe me, Raja Vidya Raja Guhyam Pavitram Paramam Mama. कोई नया मूवी आता है हम देखते हैं, कोई नया सिचुएशन आता है हम देखते हैं। Teachers Day is 5th September is a small aspect into understanding that who is a teacher, who is a guru, who is a pracharak, who is a motivational speaker, and understand the depth of this knowledge and change your life. Thank you very much. Over to the organizers. Over to the organizers for the further announcements, please.
Yeah, thanks a lot, sir. So we have been receiving great feedback about the session in the chat window itself, but I'll take a different time to thank you for this session, because there is some time constraint with a few of the alumni due to their working hours and different time zones. So I would like to so just please stay with me for like next 15 minutes or so. We have some announcements to make, and then we'll be concluding the session and taking up the Q&A from teachers and the alumni if they have any, so that we can conclude it meaningfully. So I would like to invite Aditya Bansod. He's one of the alumni from Sinhagad College of Engineering. And just to briefly introduce him, he has been topper throughout his engineering, that he was third in entire SCOE, among top 10 within his 4 years of mechanical engineering. And he has been also active member of SWC. And I think he was one of the founding member, incepting members who has worked upon the SWC club. And right now he's pursuing masters in computational science at University of Duisburg, Essen, Germany, and also working in Hilfs Wissenschafts's research assistant at the University of Duisburg, Essen. So he is joining us from Germany, and I would like to invite Aditya Bansod to take up the stage and share his knowledge with all of the audience. And Chaudhary sir, please stay with us. We'll be taking a question and answer session just after these.
Sure, Akshay. Yeah.
Janish, can you please make Aditya host? Yeah.
Hello, am I audible?
Yeah.
Voice is clear?
Yes, Aditya.
Okay. So thank you very much for giving me an opportunity for expressing my gratitude and my appreciation for all the gurus who are present here on this forum, in terms of like my professors or even some of my seniors from the SWC club who have been guiding and mentoring me till now. I would like to start by saying, that a person who is not grateful is a great fool. There is one saying like that a person who is not grateful is a great fool. Now, why it is so? It is so because that in our life, whenever we are successful, it is not just because of our own endeavors or our own talent, but it is also because so many people who are a part of this society have contributed directly or indirectly, consciously or unconsciously, in our success. So one such personality are the gurus. So, I was blessed to have very good and very kind professors in the 4 years that I spent in Sinhagad College of Engineering in the mechanical department. Like whenever I think about my bachelor days at the Sinhagad, my heart fills with joy, because those were the best days that I had in my life till now. And my mind always hovers around, those happy memories. Like I spent time with my friends, uh, chilling out at CC, going to different technical events, cultural events, and even like hectic times during submissions, and we used to all work together. And also, like, we used to have a lot of fun with the professors during the practicals. And personally, I used to meet professors during their free time and have long discussions on various topics, and many events that we organized at the SWC. And so much value addition has happened to me in that 4 years that I can't be thankful enough for all those things. You know, what I personally feel in my life is that, the most important thing that a teacher can do to the dependents, the students, is that the teacher can instill curiosity and interest in the student, because learning and understanding happens on the own. Like, a student has to learn and understand on his own. That part he has to do on his own. But if a teacher is successful in making a student curious and making him interested, then that is a great success. And I was very happy that I got such kind of professors. Like, I can give many examples, but time will fall short. But some examples that are popping up in my mind as of now, like during my third year of my mechanical engineering, we have one subject called as turbo machinery. It is one of the most difficult subject in mechanical engineering, and it's very common to fail in that subject. Many people fail, but I was blessed to have one professor who had GATE rank 1, AIR 1 in GATE, and he had done his MTech from some IIT, and he was teaching us that subject. And I scored 92 out of 100 in that subject, and it was only because of his inputs and his guidance. I still remember that I used to go to his cabin and discuss problems, and used to get frustrated sometimes, and he used to tell me that, wait, that voice even rings in my mind even till now. I used to say, wait, first let us understand the physics of the problem, and then used to start explaining. That was, still fresh in my mind. Another professor we had in my second year used to teach us thermodynamics and applied thermodynamics. And we used to have long discussions on research, and he used to always tell me that, you have inclination, so why don't you try something of research? And that's what, I've gotten myself into. Without his blessings, I wouldn't have done that. So many such memories that I have, and very happy to share them here. And in terms of value addition, I can say it's tremendous. It has been tremendous. Some examples I can share which are relevant in my life. I can even say that it might be relevant to you also, all the students. That it is very important to understand whom we associate with in our life. It is said that a person is an average of 5 people whom he associates with every day. So if our association is with people who are not so ambitious, who are not so focused, then it's very difficult for us to be ambitious and focused. So, it's very important that we associate with good people. Just like steel rod is there. The steel rod is at cold temperature, at room temperature, it's cold. But if you put it in fire at 800 degrees Celsius, then it also becomes red hot. Even though that is not its property, but by the virtue of fire, it also becomes hot, and it starts emanating fire in the form of radiation, right? They've all experienced that. So it's very important that we associate with good people. And I had so many good memories and so much value addition. During the SWC club, like, we used to organize so many events, and I learned hands-on many things. Certain things you can't learn in a classroom by listening. You have to do them hands-on. For example, time management. For example, public speaking. I learned so many of these things during my SWC event organizations. Like, I can tell you very honestly that currently I'm doing a master thesis, which is like a final year project at the university, and it's a very deep research topic. And in few days I'm going to defend my thesis, which is like a presentation kind of a thing, and my entire department is going to be there, and I'm sure they will drill me with all the questions that they have. But I'm not worried. Why? Because I have done so much public speaking I have done, so many presentations that I've given. I'm not at all worried. I know I'm going to do it and get very good grades. And even in Germany currently we are facing this pandemic, and we can't go out. We have to be, bound to our own houses. And many people here in Germany are facing mental issues like depression. They are demotivated. Many people are unclear what is going to happen in their future. But I can say that I'm not an expert, but whatever little bit I know about mind control has helped me a lot in being stable. And somehow or other I was able to finish my thesis even during this tough times, because I can't go to university. Everything is online. And even I've never I have not even met my guide in last 6-7 months. Everything is online. But because I know how to control my mind and how to, be stable, I'm able to do it. So just some examples that I'm sharing. So I would like to conclude, not taking much of your time. in summary, I'll just say that, if you want to be mediocre in life, if you don't want to achieve anything, if you just want to, pass your life, then don't associate with people who are ambitious. Don't meet your professors during their free time. Don't be a part of SWC club. But if you really want to do something, if you want to be a big shot in your life, you want to achieve something good, contribute to the society, only then you can look at those things. Otherwise, you can forget all these things. So thank you very much. Thank you very much for this opportunity.
Thanks a lot, Aditya, for taking your precious time and speaking to all of us. And it has been always inspiring to see you in the college and to learn from you. It's really good to hear you again after so many years. So moving ahead, I will request our audiences if they have any questions for Dr. Saurabh Chaudhary sir, then they will please ask Q&A for next 20 minutes. Then we have a small presentation, student welfare, the initiative which we have been doing. The forum is open for the Q&A.
So if anyone has any questions, you can type it in the chat box, or if you want to ask directly, you can unmute yourself and ask one person at a time. So either you can type it in the chat box or you can unmute yourself and ask. Then we can take in some question answers related to today's session or unrelated questions. That's okay. Anyone has any questions, you're most welcome. Type it in the chat box or you can unmute yourself. Yes, yes, please.
Hello, sir. I'm Professor Komal Moe from SKN COE Computer Department.
Yes, ma'am.
I just wanted to say that I like today's session a lot, and I've been practicing Ayurvedic cooking since past 3 years. And today's session was like a revision for me.
Okay.
And yes,
Thank you.
I've been practicing yoga, meditation, and all of those things. So
Thank
I
you.
just wanted to thank you for this session. Yes, thank
you, ma'am. It's a very great inspiration when a professor from a computer department, although she is an expert in the things of this material world, but yet she is connected to her roots. She is connected to her basics. And in one line, as you already told you, that if you want to be happy, healthy in life, connect to the roots, connect to the basics. When you connect to the basics, that she is practicing her occupational and prescribed duty very well, but she's also doing her constitutional duty. There are 3 types of duties according to the Bhagavad Gita. One is the prescribed duty, one is the constitutional duty, and one is the occupational duty. As a professor of a computer department, she's doing her occupational and prescribed duty pretty well. And as Atma or the spirit soul, when we are in Atma Buddhi, so it is the duty of the spirit soul to be connected to the super soul. And there she is connecting back to her roots, to Ayurvedic cooking and other things. And as she shared from the heart, it gives a great amount of happiness in her life. Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you for your feedbacks. I was very appreciative of the amazing responses which you were giving in the chats. Thank you so much. One of the questions which has come from Dr. Pathak is that how to control the mind, sir? With the help of diet or meditation, what will you suggest? Please give a big hand to Dr. Pathak, who has asked a very wonderful question. Thanks so much to you, Dr. Pathak, because you have asked a question which is beneficial to everyone. So, if you want to control your mind, which is a very, very important aspect of spirituality, both diet as well as meditation are of vital importance. Bishoir onno khaile molina hobe mana malina mana hoile nahi Krishner smarana. I will give you many examples from the scriptures where what kind of food you are eating from which person really affects your mind. You will observe that when you have ghar ka khana regularly, you will have a particular kind of consciousness. And you will observe that in the messes. When I was in my medical school, I was not able to stick to a single mess more than 15 days. Because the food is very titillating, it is having specific aromas, लेकिन वो खाने के बाद satisfaction नहीं होता था, right? जैसा अन्न वैसा मन, जैसा अन्न वैसा मन. कौन वो खाना को उगा रहा है, कौन वो खाना का कटिंग कर रहा है, कौन वो खाना को ट्रांसपोर्ट कर रहा है, कौन वो खाना को परोस रहा है, कौन से फैक्ट्री में वो खाना का प्रोसेसिंग हो रहा है, और बना कौन रहा है, that is very, very important. That's why if you go to the Buddhist monasteries, if you go to the Jagannath Puri temple, if you go to the Tirupati Balaji temple, there are very strict rules and regulations as to who can cook. It's not a matter of chua-chut or all these things. It's a matter of the qualification. Bhagavad Gita chapter 13, 8th to 12th shloka. Amanitvam adhammitvam ahimsak shantir arjavam acharyupasanam shaucham stairyam atma vinigraha. Only a person who has a controlled mind, when he cooks the food with love, which is offered to God, and then it is served, that is the real food a person should take. And when he eats such food which is offered, his body, mind, and soul are congruent. And he does things which are absolutely spiritual. Because if the petrol is impure, the car cannot run properly. It cannot be 10% kerosene mix or 20% water mix. For our body, we need pure food, pure honey, pure ghee. So for the soul also, pure spirituality is required. And that's why the food is very important, Dr. Pathak. Coming to the second important part, that is meditation. Meditation is the constitutional duty of the soul, right? For example, when I am talking to you, who is talking? एक छोटा बच्चा बोलता है, we see with our eyes, we hear with our ears, but our eye doesn't see and the ear doesn't hear. Now I'll give you a medical science example. Light is reflected across a surface and it goes and touches the aqueous humor through the pupil, it goes to the vitreous humor, it goes to the fovea centralis, and via the optic nerve, it goes to the opposite side of the brain. But where is the image perceived? The image is perceived in the soul. आत्मा देखती है. एक कैमरा भी रिकॉर्डिंग कर सकता है, बट उसमें फीलिंग्स नहीं आता है. जैसे एक चश्मा देखता नहीं है, वैसे इस चश्मे के पीछे एक और चश्मा है जिसका नाम है आंख. आंख बस उस वाइब्रेशन को अंदर करती है, लेकिन आत्मा देखता है. Similarly, sound goes by contraction and rarefication, and it goes and touches the tympanic membrane. Then it goes to the malleus, the incus, and the stapes, and the round and the oval window. And via the cochlear auditory nerve, it goes to the opposite side of the brain. But who hears? The Atma hears. The soul hears. Similarly, when I am hearing something, when I am talking to you, the Atma is talking. So these mantras are very powerful. In Hinduism, they chant the mala or the beads. In Christianity, they chant the rosary, Mother Mary's name, Jesus' name. And in Islam, they chant the tasbih, Allah's name. So we also chant mantras like the Krishna mantra or Durga mantra or Shiva mantra. Now, how does the mantra work? It is very simple. When you are speaking, the soul is speaking, and this pure sound vibration, when you're hearing, the soul is hearing. And just like the dusty mirror, because of conditioning, cannot reflect the white light. Similarly, the soul has got a layer of dust. And when you chant the mantras, you are taking a wisp of cotton and clearing the mirror of your mind. Recently, one corona patient died, and I had gone to the Shmashan Ghat. And there I saw an amazing saying which really touched my heart. And the saying was, Kabira jab aaye the, Kabir roye, jag hase. Kabira jab jayega, Kabir hase jag roye. The meaning is very deep. When a child comes into the world, he is crying and the world is happy. But when you are going to leave the world, will you be crying or will you be laughing? That depends on the quality of life which you are leading. If you are leading a spiritual life, you know, as the days are passing, you're going nearer towards God. You're fulfilling the purpose of life. So you will be happy and the world will miss you. That's why in the 7 Habits of Highly Successful People by Stephen Covey, he says, कि जब आपकी अर्थी उठेगी और अचानक से प्राणवायु मान लीजिए आपके कान में आ गया, तो आप क्या सुनना पसंद करेंगे? कि धरती का बोझ हल्का हो गया, या लोग बोलेंगे एक बहुत अच्छा व्यक्ति हमारे दिल से, हृदय से और हमारे पास से चला गया. So please make the right choices in life. Eat the right kind of food. Food is very important. जब वाइफ खाना बनाती है, उसको गुस्सा मत करो, उस पर चिल्लाओ मत, वहां पे कुछ भजन कीर्तन चलाओ, because that really matters of what kind of food you are eating. Next question is coming from Sneha Patil, and I'll request the organizers to stop me when the time is over. So Sneha, how to stop overthinking and get deep sleep? Can I request?
Sorry,
Yes.
sorry to interrupt you. Can
Yeah.
we have last 1 or 2 questions?
Yeah,
And
sure.
if possible, can you share your mail ID? Means like many of our professors would like to connect with you and ask some questions or take some guidance. So
Okay.
if your
Okay.
digital team can share
Yeah. Can I request my digital team, please share my mail ID and I'll give you a very simple way. I have kept my mail ID very simple क्योंकि याद नहीं रहता है लोगों को. आप लोग सौरभ का स्पेलिंग देख रहे हैं. Just my mail ID is SAURABH और उसमें एक प्लस ऐड कर दीजिए PLUS. I have put it. So the mail ID is saurabh+@gmail.com. That has been put in the chat box. And I will again request my team to put my link once again because this question has been answered in a whole video, but still I will answer the question to Sneha. How to stop overthinking and get deep sleep? One of the biggest problems in Kali Yuga, which is right now, is that people are getting overthinking problem. Mind is constantly disturbed and which I called paralysis through analysis. दोस्तों याद रखिएगा, paralysis through analysis. When we lament about the past and we worry about the future and we are not there in the present, when we don't learn from the past and we don't prepare for the future being in the present, then there is too much of overthinking. Overthinking को कैसे stop करने का मैं आपको थोड़ा समझाता हूं. Generally, when there is fear, when there is uncertainty, then there is overthinking. According to the World Health Organization statistics, what are the greatest fears in this world? The biggest fear is the fear of death. The second fear is the fear of losing. And third is the fear of loneliness. अब एक इसका simple तरीका of overthinking is sit straight, take a deep breath. आप लोग सब 5 मिनट के लिए कीजिए. मैं आप लोग को अभी थिंकिंग को तुरंत कम कर देता हूं. Just 2 minutes. Yeah? Sit straight, take a deep breath. और अपने चेतना को अपने सांसों में ले जाएं. Take your consciousness over your pranavayu और breathing. कोई प्राणायाम नहीं करना है, कोई योगा नहीं करना है, कोई कपालभाति नहीं करना है, बस सेल्फ अवेयरनेस और साक्षात बोध में रहना है, आत्म बोध में. और देखें कि कैसे ऑटोमेटिकली ये सांस अंदर जा रहा है, आपके छाती को, चेस्ट को एक्सपैंड कर रहा है और ऑटोमेटिकली निकल जा रहा है. As soon as we come into this world, the pranavayu starts, and according to the laws of karma, the number of breath you will live in this lifetime is decided. ध्यान से देखिए कि आपकी सांस गहरी है या शैलो है, ओछी है. Is it deep or is it shallow? Is it long or is it short? And slowly focus yourself on who you are. मैं आत्मा हूं. और अगर आपको ओवर थिंकिंग का प्रॉब्लम है, टेल टू योरसेल्फ, आई एम नॉट द थॉट्स, आई एम नॉट द माइंड, आई एम नॉट द ओवर थिंकिंग, आई एम नॉट द फियर, आई एम नॉट द इनसिक्योरिटी, आई एम अ प्योर स्पिरिट सोल. And I'm removing my conditionings by chanting the mantras and practicing the meditation. Wherever your attention goes, energy flows. खाना खाने में ध्यान देंगे तो प्रॉपर डाइजेशन होगा. कुकिंग में ध्यान देंगे तो प्रॉपर कुकिंग होगा. पढ़ाई में ध्यान देंगे तो पढ़ाई होगा. वाइफ पे ध्यान नहीं देंगे, वाइफ छोड़ के चली जाएगी. स्पिरिचुअलिटी में ध्यान नहीं देंगे, मोक्ष प्राप्ति होगी नहीं. आपका ध्यान कहां है? This is the secret. As he beautifully said, the alumnus, that your life is the average of 5 people with whom you associate. आपकी चेतना कौन से हुक में लगी हुई है? आपका शर्ट कहां टंगा हुआ है? अगर सुबह से शाम तक आप ये सोच रहे हैं कि आई एम गुड फॉर नथिंग, आई एम यूजलेस, आई एम नॉट गुड, लोग मुझे रिस्पेक्ट नहीं दे रहे हैं, ना मैं अच्छा स्टूडेंट हूं, ना मैं दिखने में अच्छा हूं, ना मुझे कुछ अच्छा है, तो आप आत्मा को कोस रहे हो और देहात्म बुद्धि में जा रहे हो और समझ नहीं पा रहे हो कि यू आर अ डिवाइन स्पार्क. यू आर नॉट अ ड्रॉप इन द ओशन, यू आर अ ओशन इन द ड्रॉप. ममय वांशो जीव लोके जीव भूत सनातनः. You are part and parcel of that supreme Lord. How can you feel yourself incomplete? When you are connected to the Lord, on behalf of the Lord, you feel yourself complete. I am overthinking because I'm not able to perceive the energy of the soul. And I really believe that God is not there in my life. Mukam karoti vachalam pangum langhayate girim yad kripatamaham vande Shri Guru Dinatarinam. Mukam karoti vachalam. A person who cannot speak will become talkative. When I was in my first year MBBS, I was not even knowing proper English. Pangum langhayate girim. A person who is crippled can climb the Mount Everest. Yad kripatamaham vande Shri Guru Dinatarinam. लाइफ में 3 चीज की जरूरत हमेशा होती है दोस्तों, शक्ति, भक्ति और मुक्ति. Right? You should have enough shakti in your body to practice bhakti. And when you practice bhakti, you will get the mukti and you will experience. देखिए इस दुनिया में लोग गाना गाते हैं, मूवी के गाने, आ चल के तुझे मैं लेके चलूं एक ऐसे गगन के तले जहां गम भी ना हो, आंसू भी ना हो, बस प्यार ही प्यार पले. But actually there is a spiritual world which Krishna is telling in Bhagavad Gita. न तद्भास्यते सूर्यो न शशांको न पावकः. मेरा जो परम धाम है, that is not illumined by the sun or the moon or the fire or the electricity. It is illumined by the light which is coming off from my divine body, Brahma Jyoti. और एक बार you return back, yat gatva na nivartante tat dham paramam mama. So what I will say in very simple words, 4 things I will say for you, Sneha. A for association, B for books, C for chanting, and D for diet. I'll make your life very simple by ABCD formula. A for association. Find out after the Zoom meeting that who has organized this session and get connected to the education system. B for books. Read the books, Bhagavad Gita. It is about the science of life. C is about the chanting of the mantras, which will connect the Atma to the Paramatma. And D is the diet by which you will be able to connect with yourself. So I have given a total talk on how to overcome negative thinking, and I have put that link in the YouTube channel. That's why I told you all can subscribe and get regular updates on all topics related to life. आज कलयुग में ऐसा है कि साइंस है, टेक्नोलॉजी है, सब कुछ है, लेकिन लोगों को खाना नहीं आता, लोगों को सोना नहीं आता, लोगों को लाइफ को जीना नहीं आता, लोगों को इमोशंस हैंडल करना नहीं आता, एंड लोगों को लाइफ का पर्पस समझने में बहुत दिक्कत होता है. But it is possible once you gain this divine knowledge. Thank you very much. I'm really amazed that you all spent so much of your valuable time here. And I hope and pray that all of you get divine success in your life by getting connected to this divine knowledge. Last 20 साल से मैं ये seminars regularly attend करता हूँ, मेरे gurus से, मेरे guides से. And I also understand, I also share, realize, and share it with all of you. Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot, sir. So, now I would like to invite, before the final report, I would like to invite Bhimraj today. So he is currently working as a software engineer at Cognizant. Has been during his college days. He has completed his bachelor's.
Akshay, your network is weak, so people are not able to hear you. Can you be absolutely not audible? Can you just check out your connection or find out a way by which people understand what you're telling?
Yeah, is it audible?
No, it's not very audible. It's getting some breaks, I guess, because of the net connectivity.
Let me just switch to better network.
Yeah.
Okay, actually, you can check with your internet connection. Now we would like to invite Bhimraj Urkunde. He is now software engineer at Cognizant, and he was one of the topper from SCA during his college time. He has very great contribution to the SWC club, and all students, all current volunteers are very grateful for his contribution. So we would like to invite Bhimraj Urkunde for the SWC presentation.
And Danish, I have my next Zoom at 1:30, so can I leave with all the permission from all of you? Danish?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Thank you
very
so much,
much.
sir.
Thank you very much. It was a pleasure being with all of you and hope to connect again back with you. Thank you very much. Bye bye. And I hope I have made someone else. You are the co-host now, so that if I leave, then the meeting won't end. Am I right? I hope I have made.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah.